3 apples, peeled and diced. Sugar 2 tablespoons. Cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon. Coat it well and set aside. Light brown sugar 60 gram. Cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well and set aside. Softened butter 115 gram. Granulated sugar 130 gram. Whisk until soft and fluffy. 2 eggs room temperature. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Whisk until well combined. All-purpose flour 180 gram. Baking powder 2½ teaspoons. Sift it well. Gently fold it in. Warm milk 120 milliliters. Whisk until smooth. Pour in half of the batter into the lined and greased loaf pan. Scoop out half of the apple chunks onto the batter. Sprinkle half of the sugar-cinnamon mix over the apple. Add the rest of the batter. Level it out. Add remaining apple chunks. Add remaining sugar-cinnamon mix and preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 55 minutes. Enjoy!